Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Appwrite Database errors step by step. If you're having trouble creating, reading, updating, or deleting data in Appwrite, there are several troubleshooting steps you can use to identify and resolve the problem. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appwrite dashboard and open the project where the database error is occurring. Make sure you're working with the correct project and database before making any changes. Next, verify that your database, collection, or table and required attributes have been created correctly. If a required field is missing or your data doesn't match the expected attribute type, Appwrite may reject the request. Now, review your database permissions. Confirm that your users, roles, or API keys have permission to create, read, update, or delete documents. Incorrect permissions are one of the most common reasons database operations fail. After that, double-check your application's configuration. Make sure you're using the correct project ID, endpoint URL, database ID, and collection or table ID in your Appwrite SDK or API requests. Even a small typo can prevent your application from accessing the database. If the issue continues, check the Appwrite logs, browser developer tools, or your application's console for detailed error messages. Updating to the latest compatible Appwrite SDK and server version can also resolve known compatibility issues. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Appwrite database errors and keep your application's backend running smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next